In this episode, we're exploring Panorama Glass Lodge in Iceland. Welcome to the Holiday Shelter Channel. The motto for the Panorama Glass Lodge states, "Where the sky is," which works as a fitting descriptor for the design of this cozy 248 square foot vacation cabin located in Iceland. Thanks to the glass panels that wrap around a strategically placed bed, the bright dancing lights of the aurora can be viewed from the most comfortable spot. The rest of the interior includes a full kitchenette, dining table, and 2 chairs, as well as a private bathroom. The custom-made king-size bed is dressed in luxury duvet from Bavaria, Germany. There are window blinds for the walls if more privacy is needed, while the glass roof remains exposed to the sky. The lodge includes a spa bathroom with a rain shower head. In addition to the hot tub, there's also a 129 square foot outdoor terrace on site with a small table and 2 chairs for alfresco meals. The shape of the lodges is inspired by Scandinavian houses, and the combination of wooden elements with steel and glass makes the lodges unique. The interior is completely custom-made and sustainable, whereby high value is placed on the detail. The water is the purest in the world, coming directly from a nearby spring. Sustainable electricity to heat up the pools was used. The secluded spot is perfect for a honeymoon, romantic getaway, or anyone looking to take a solo trip. Thank you for stopping by. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about new videos. See you in upcoming episodes.